How to set up products in Proffis. Select Merchant. Select the company name. Go to the business landing page. Select the Products icon. Select Setup. Enable the toggle button to activate the Payment Method and Delivery Method functions. There are 3 payment methods and 2 delivery options available. Enable the Online Payment toggle button to activate online payment option. Merchants may add additional payment methods and options for their business. Select the photo icon to upload the QR code for payment transfer via .now QR code. To enable .now payment transfer via mobile number, input mobile number and bank account name. Enable the Cash on Delivery toggle button to activate COD services. Enable the Bank In toggle button to input bank account details. Merchants can input their bank account details in this section. Enable the Self-Pickup toggle button to allow customers to pick up their orders from the nearest business branch. Enable the Standard Shipping toggle button to offer shipping services by land, sea, or air for customers' orders. Under the Standard Shipping section, merchants may specify their shipping costs, including the distance, weight, and price of the order. Merchants can add the products or services categories they offer to manage their business in this section. Merchants may organize and categorize their products or services by subcategories to further explain the features of the products or services. Merchants may add business hashtags to allow users to search for their business more easily. For example, use hashtag aircon, hashtag Puchong for air conditioner service providers located in Puchong. Select Next to save your settings. You will be automatically directed to the Inventory landing page. Select Product to add products or services. Merchants can toggle to activate or deactivate the product's availability. Select the photo icon to upload product or service photo. Merchants can upload up to 5 photos for each product or service. Please complete the mandatory fields labeled in red in the product details section. The categories that were specified by merchants in Category Setup on the Setup landing page will be displayed here as selection options. Merchants may add product or service hashtags to allow users to search for their products or services more easily. Merchants can add, update, and delete products or services in the Inventory listing. When the inventory is out of stock, the merchant may enable the Stop toggle button to deactivate at any time.